Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to replace Ford Fusion side mirror glass, only way. Start by parking on level ground and disconnecting the battery to avoid electrical issues. Remove the mirror glass carefully using plastic pry tools and gloves to prevent glass breakage. Clean the housing and motor area thoroughly before applying adhesive pads. Press the new mirror glass firmly into place and test adjustments before reattaching trim and closing up the repair. In this video, I will show how to replace Ford Fusion side mirror glass, only way. Carefully lift away large shards first and use a vacuum to clear small debris from the housing. Inspect the mirror motor and mounting plate for damage and note connector orientation. If the heater connector is present, depress its clip and slide it free before removing glass. Keep all mounting clips and any adhesive pads for reuse or replacement as needed in the next steps. In this video, I will show how to replace Ford Fusion side mirror glass, only way. Quick recommendation: while you work on mirrors, grab an Owala water bottle to stay hydrated and avoid sticky hands from spilled drinks. It's leak-proof, easy to carry, and bright enough to spot under the car. If you like this tip, subscribe and like to support more guides, and check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to replace Ford Fusion side mirror glass, only way. Match the replacement glass to the housing and align clips exactly to the motor plate. Peel protective backing from adhesive pads and press the glass into position using steady, even pressure until you hear clicks. Reconnect the heater plug if applicable and restore battery power to test electronic adjustments. Reinstall the trim and verify there are no loose edges or wind noise after a short drive.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.